everybody, welcome back to today's video. Marybeth Mailbox Benjamins, Mailbox Benjamin's postcard program, and I'm super excited to be here kicking off the very beginning of a brand new month on August 1st. Those of you who are familiar with this industry, specifically the direct mail order industry, know that we are now in the midst of the direct mail order boom season. The onset of the direct mail order boom season is upon us, and I could not be more excited to be moving forward in this season with this amazing program called Mailbox Benjamins. And I just invite you, if you're watching this video right now, to click on the link below and review this website in its entirety. This is going to give you complete insight into this amazing program, the simplicity of this program, the duplicatability of this program, and the affordability of this program called Mailbox Benjamins. And if you're watching this video between August 1st and August 7th of 2022, we've got a great promo that just launched and kicked off. This is going to save you $100. So if you are ready to get started this week, folks, this is going to be a great month. You owe it to yourself to take a serious look at this opportunity, at this website, and don't delay, folks. Take action, take massive action. Get in now, and save yourself $100. $200, in my opinion, is a very small price to pay for the success that lies behind this program, folks, and the potential that you have if you take this program serious and commit, be consistent, and work this program and be committed to it. Okay, folks? It absolutely can work for you too if you work it. Now, of course, I can't come in here and make any income claims, guarantees, promises, because I simply don't know what you will do with this opportunity when you get access to it, when you get your marketing package, nor do I know your work ethic. But from someone who has been heavily involved in the direct mail order industry since the summer of 2015, folks, I can tell you that if you come into this opportunity with the right mindset, motivation, step out, take a leap of faith, get started, work this, be super committed and consistent. Believe in yourself, believe in Mailbox Benjamins, folks. Great things can be coming your way too. Indeed, great things are happening. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This actually came in my mailbox on Saturday. Another mailbox surprise from Mailbox Benjamins to me. Okay. I don't know if you can see this here. I'll try to zoom in here, but my name is right there. Okay. Okay, there's my name, my information, and I would like to welcome another new team member to Mailbox Benjamins, okay? So again, you're going to want to review this website in its entirety. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, live here on this video. I go in here, try to open this up for you. A little bit tricky. I left my scissors downstairs, but nonetheless, okay, we are going to go ahead and open this up, okay, and I will reveal for you right now exactly what's in here. These are always exciting, folks, to get these wonderful mailbox money surprises from the company called Marketing Advantage, okay? They come in a little envelope like this, and here's the goodies, which I am going to share with you. Now, every time a new member joins you, you receive $100. So that is super exciting, especially, folks, with the fact that we're in the midst of a recession, inflation, you know, gas prices, food prices continue to soar. These $100 payments are much, much appreciated. Wonderful financial blessings. So thank you for these wonderful financial blessings to Mailbox Benjamins. $100, okay, right here. More continued proof, folks, that this program works if you work it, all right? So we'll set that aside. And every time you get a sign up, folks, you get bonuses, okay? You get 25 additional Mailbox Benjamin's postcards. These are beautiful Folks, full color, double-sided. All you have to do is stay consistent. Mail these out every single week. Whatever you can comfortably afford, folks, okay? Most important thing is you do not stop, you do not quit, you do not look back, you don't take any breaks in the action, folks. You want the best results for you. You want to position yourself for the best results. You need to be steady and consistent, all right? So this is what you get as a bonus, okay? 25 additional postcards, and not to mention 25 postage stamps, okay, to help you to offset and defray the cost of your postage on your future upcoming mailings. So you get these, you put these to good use, and you use the stamps. And not to mention, you also get 25 bonus leads. So you get a nice little bonus for an upcoming future mailing. And I just, encourage you to get these out right away, folks. Okay, don't sit on them, don't delay. Here's the peel and stick lead labels, address lead labels, 25 bonus postcards, and 25 stamps with a wonderful $100. Okay, so we will just count 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And with that being said, folks, I would love to welcome Michael, one of my new team members, to Mailbox Benjamins. Thank you very much. Definitely you're in the right place at the right time, Michael. I'm here to help you. Thanks for reaching out to me. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to text or call me. Okay, I will be here to absolutely help you, and it's in our best interest to help all of our new team members, since we also get wonderful pass-up override $100 commissions from the direct efforts of every direct team member. So thank you very much. Welcome to Mailbox Benjamins, Michael. And this is our commission report that we receive with our new members' information. Okay, so we can go ahead and connect with them and welcome them aboard. All right. So with that being said, folks, the next step is for you to definitely review this website in its entirety. And remember, August 1, today, okay, we just started a new month, onset of the busy direct mail order boom season, running through August 7th, you get to save $100. So instead of paying $300 to get started, it's only going to cost you $200, saving you $100, folks. Now is the time. There's never been a better time to get started. You're looking for something that works, something that's easy, no tech skills, no special experience, education, expertise required, folks. This is something anybody can jump into and mail postcards. It's super easy. All you do is take one of the postcards, folks, okay? On the back side, you put a stamp in the upper right-hand corner that you receive, okay, or that you purchase. And I will give you access to my lead resources, my discount postage resource when you partner up with me, folks, as some extra bonuses, my daily method of operations, exactly what I do, both in the online as well as the offline space. You do not need to take this online unless you absolutely want to, but what I can tell you is you can reach a lot of people really quick for free if you leverage and harness the power and potential of social media marketing. For example, YouTube and Facebook. Those have been my two personal favorites. I've gotten a lot of activity, a lot of inquiries, and signed up a lot of people over the years in direct mail order off of Facebook and YouTube. Okay, so it definitely works, folks. Get yourself out there, get your message out there, get your content out there, and then you just put your address label here, folks. You want to definitely write your ID. By the way, very important, mine happens to be 104. I'm going to put that in the description below. So you want to join with me, folks. You want to follow the instructions. So you're going to watch this video first. You're going to come on down here. You can take a look at the postcard front and back. Here's a wonderful example of some income potential. Now, this is what's possible. Okay, remember, possibility exist if you take massive action. This is how you get paid. Here's an income example right here, folks. Watch these videos. This happens to be mine right here, my testimonial, real member review and proof video. So definitely check this out. Here's a income potential right here, folks. Okay, on 10 sales. You can see what's possible on level 1 and level 2. Okay, here's exactly what you get in your initial marketing package. Right here, everything you need to set you up properly for success. And absolutely, this is 100% legal, legit. No need to worry whatsoever. Okay, no issues, no concerns. A completely legit and legal program, 100% all the way. Legal and legit. Here's roll member proof of signups. So you can check this out. More continued proof. I know people always like to see proof. And like they say, documentation beats conversation any day of the week. A complete, simple, cheat-proof program. Special bonus I just revealed to you. Okay, this is very real. You get 25 free stamps, 25 free postcards, 25 free leads on every new direct member you get to join you into Mailbox Benjamins using your ID. Again, mine is 104. So you'll need to put that on your form, or if you're paying by Cash App, folks, you're going to send an email to the email address listed, and you want to put my information, Marybeth Angelelli. I will put that below in the description, my name and all that good stuff. 104. Okay, and then you include your name and your mailing address. All right, so that you can receive your marketing kit. All right, earn $100 override commissions. Explained exactly how to do that. Here's another roll member review and proof video. Okay, a wonderful incentive for those who take this business and take it to, a new level. Okay, this goes to the top producer on a monthly basis, so definitely something to be incentivized by. Get paid every week. Here's another roll member review and proof video. Check it out right here. Folks, there's so much proof out there. New success stories and testimonials are popping up all week long. And I just encourage you to take a serious look, take action, and then join. Okay? $200 through August 7th, 2022 instead of $300. And you can get started one of two ways, by Cash App or money order. And this is the Cash App ID, and instead of sending $300, if you're watching this, and if you're lucky enough to, get started and see this in a timely fashion between August 1 and August 7th, okay? $200, this is the Cash App ID. You don't have Cash App, you can go ahead and download it to your phone, okay, right here. You just go to basically cash.app /me, I believe, is the Cash App link to download. So you just basically go to the main site. And, you could definitely look that up online as well. Get the link, download it to your phone, and then you can go ahead and use this link right here to send off your $200. Okay, should you not have Cash App. But if you have Cash App, that's one option. And then you go ahead and you send an email with your full name, your mailing address, and the ID from the postcard, flyer, or promotional message that you receive, which again, mine is 104, 104, okay? To Mailbox Benjamin's postcard at gmail.com. And then if you choose to get started by mail, all you do is simply click here and you fill out the form, print it off, send it off to the address. But this is probably the fastest, easiest way is by Cash App. If you don't have it, you can download it. And then if you don't want to use Cash App for whatever reason, folks, no worries. Just go ahead and click right here and you'll fill out the form. So with that being said, here's the admin's information. Very transparent, folks, very professional. This guy is doing an excellent job. Martin, thank you so much for creating an amazing program called Mailbox Benjamins that I know in the upcoming busy season is going to truly help so many individuals and their families to earn and increase cash flow, folks. And that is the name of the game right now in our current economic state, okay? No doubt these $100 payments come in very handy. You got a great program here. Easy, simple, affordable, duplicatable, simple. This is, folks, something that you seriously want to check out. So here's Martin's information. Like I say, he's super transparent, no worries whatsoever. Does a great job as the admin, the owner, the creator of Mailbox Benjamins. Should you need to reach him, there's his email address, there's his telephone number, there's his name. He's super active on Facebook. And yes, folks, we do have a wonderful, dynamic, very active, super supportive, very informative Facebook group and Facebook community. A lot of people ask me that. So with that being said, folks, thank you so much. Head on over to mailboxbenjamins.com. Go ahead. It's going to take you to this website. Review it. And if you have any questions, text or call me. My personal cell will be below, listed in the description below. That is the best way to reach me at 330-787-1795. And again, when you're coming through, you're going to want to use 104 to join with me, either by Cash App. You'll follow up with an email with your information, with my name, which I will list below, and my ID, which is 104. And if you're going to do it by mail, folks, this is where you go right here. Take action, get started now, click here, and this is the form that you're going to go ahead and print off right now, okay, as soon as you're ready to join. And this is going to show you how to position yourself after you review the information to be able to earn $100 direct sales and those exciting $100 overrides over and over again. So go ahead and print this form off, okay? Fill it out. 104 goes right here, okay? Your name, your address, your city, state, zip, email, and telephone number is going to go right here. And then you're going to send this off. If you're doing it this week, folks, $200 to Marketing Advantage. And here's the mailing address, okay? And again, here's the email, here's the phone number, folks. Complete visibility and transparency. That's very important. So with that being said, thank you so much for spending the last 15, 16 minutes with me on this wonderful brand new month, the first day of a brand new month, folks. I'm super excited. This is our time, this is our season, and I want to welcome you into it with open arms. You're definitely in the right place at the right time. Welcome in advance to Mailbox Benjamins and to my Mailbox Benjamins team. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye-bye.